everyone! Okay, so I wanted to come and do a quick video on how to use the Frenchic paint.
Oh my God, she's on telly!
The joys of doing videos when you're in lockdown at home with an idiot doing some work upstairs. So, I'm not even going to cut that out because that's quite funny. So, what I was lucky enough to have given to me was a little very basic pine stool. As you can see, I haven't painted the underside of it yet. But I'm using the Frenchic Lazy Range, and the colour is Hornblower, as you can see. Usually I wouldn't use this size tin for such a small piece of furniture. I just use the 150mm size, which is more or less this size here. The prep is really important to get the good finish after. So the following steps you really need to take is to lightly sand the piece. You can buy different grades of sandpaper on a roll or buy in a pack. And then to make sure it's thoroughly clean with sugar soap. You can buy sugar soap from Frenchic. You can dilute it and put it into an old sprayer bottle if you want to. It's easier to spray on and wipe off. Then you need to really allow the piece of furniture, wood, whatever you're painting, to dry thoroughly. Stick it outside in this gorgeous weather, or to have it along you can use a microfiber. That's always helpful. So once you've done that, two coats on this one. It's a dream to paint with, and especially on a basic piece of furniture like this, it's even easier. So on the top, I fancied doing something different other than just the plain colour on the top. So I was going to go with the original furniture paint in Ivory Tower. So I'm debating, don't know what to do, whether to do that one and do a few stripes and funky shapes on top, which I'm more swayed to, or to use the Frenchic Gorgeous Gold, it's called. Okay, for those of you that haven't used the Frenchic, it's really brilliant to use, really easy. So what you would do is get an old plastic container, old Chinese takeaway container, squeeze some of the finishing coat, which is this one here, squeeze some of that in there. So the Frenchic comes, let me show you, comes in a powder form like this. So you literally take a tiny, as big as your fingernail piece, mix in with the finishing coat, and you'll come up with a gorgeous gold colour. The more you put in, the deeper the colour. So you can just make a guide as to when you're mixing it up. So either a pattern on the top or gold Frenchic. I'll re-video when I finish doing it, and fingers crossed you'll like what I've decided to do. Have a good day, folks.